So I'm going to do a Welsh song now. This song is called Angor. And I wrote it a few months ago. I had a little caravan. I was part of a project in Carnarvon where they put me in a caravan for a month at the bottom of Carnarvon Castle. And I invited people to come into the caravan and tell me their stories. And then I turned their stories into songs. And I made a little EP about the whole project. And it was a month from start to finish. So I'm quite proud of that, actually. It's quite a quick turnaround. But this is one of the songs that I wrote for that project. And it's called Angor, which means anchor. And I filmed a lovely music video for it as well. So that's on YouTube if anyone wants to check it out. Mi glywai sŵn y môr yn mynd, fyd i'ch ysbrydiolau ffrind. Dewch ymlaen, ma' 'na le ar y cwch, does dim breuddwydion yn y llwch. Mae gen i ofyn dwedais i, dwi byth di adael eryri. Mae 'na adlais can yn y mynyddoedd, a mae'r llais y gwynt yn deffra'r coed. Angor, angor, dal fi lawr, mae'r gwynt yn gryf a hwyr di'r awr. Angor, angor, dal fi lawr, mae'r gwynt yn gryf a hwyr di'r awr. Ffarwel i'r traeth, a'r blodau meibion, dwi'n mynd i mewn i dyfroedd gleision. Mae'r tir yn cadw ti mewn rhew. Dewch i'r tonau, dewch i fewn, does gennych chi ddim plant neu ŵr. Dewch i'r tonau, dewch i'r dŵr. Yn gryf a hwyr di'r awr. Angor, angor, dal fi lawr, mae'r gwynt yn gryf a hwyr di'r awr.